Okay, today we're having a geological class about earthquakes by Ricky Liu. The world's surface is actually made of approximately 16 tectonic plates, like Pacific plates, Euro Euro-Asian plates, Australian Australian plates, and Taiwan sits on the boundary of tectonic plates, and its long history of destructive quakes has forced the island to improve its building construction and earthquake prevention technologies. Like for the picture, there's Philippine Sea Plate and the Euro-Asian Plate. And let's talk about the earth structure. There are the four layers, which is a- as a sand, uh, which is crust, and a sand,
Mental.
mantle, outer core, and inner core. Then let's first talk about the lithosphere. This includes both the Earth's crust and the solid part of the outer mantle. And then it is the asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is denser. It includes denser, weaker, and semi-molten part of the upper mantle. The
Lithosphere.
lithosphere is what makes up the plate, and the asthenosphere is the material they float on. The tectonic plates in the lithosphere are constantly moving on the asthenosphere, leading to earthquakes and tsunamis. There are three major tectonic boundaries. They explain how tectonic plates move. At the first one, they move away of each other, which is called divergent plate boundary. The second one, they move past each other, which is called transform plate boundary. And the last one, they move toward each other and is called convergent plate boundary. And one of them will subduct under the other one. And
Oceanic.
the oceanic plate usually subduct under the continental plate because of the former is denser than the latter. Taiwan and Japan have experienced many earthquakes because we are located along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where 75% of the world's volcanoes are located. 90% of the world's earthquakes occur along the Pacific Ocean of Ring of Fire. On April 3rd, 2024, and 7.2 magnitude earthquake occurred in Taiwan. The epicenter is located in Hualien. The tremor was felt across the whole Taiwan. There have been hundreds of aftershocks so far. As of April 7th, 2024, 110 people are killed and more than 150 people are still trapped, buried under the rubble, debris, or out of contact. The rescue teams and rescue dogs are deployed to search for the victims and rescue them. This natural disaster has brought cas-
Catastrophic.
catastrophic, destructive damage to Hualien and Yilan. The structures such as buildings,
Bridges.
bridges, and roads collapsed severely. The collapse tumble has caused power and water outage of the whole city. How does the Taipei Metro respond to the earthquake? If the earthquake measures more than 2 in intensity, the metro will decelerate until it stops. The service will be suspended until the safety is ensured.